Welcome back, everybody. Robert with Occupancy Boost. If your property's enrolled with corporate lodging, pay very, very close attention to today's video. I'm going to review the Mastercard Easy Savings Program that's powered by CLC. Now, hotels have the opportunity to sign up for this when they sign their contract, but most of them overlook it. Well, in today's video, I'm going to review the program. I'm going to show you how to get enrolled, and I'm going to show you an example of a property that I take care of that's done over $25,000 in additional revenue this year through the Mastercard Easy Savings Program. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm on the CLC extranet for this property, and if you want to read up on about this Mastercard Easy Savings Program, you just go into the support and training, and you scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on revenue opportunities, and it's got all the information loaded in here. So I'm going to go to this first step here, this Mastercard Easy Savings Hotel Network, and kind of explain to you guys what exactly this is, because there's a lot of misconceptions about it. This has nothing to do with your CLC rate. Let me read through a couple of these lines here. It says the Mastercard Easy Savings Program, MCES, Hotel Network gives participating hotels a new revenue channel at a higher average daily rate. CLC Lodging powers this promotional opportunity for hotels through its association with the Mastercard Easy Savings Rebate Program for small businesses. So basically what Mastercard has done is they have this Easy Savings Hotel Network that they designed, and you can involve your hotel in here for people to book hotel rooms, and they get a rebate on their credit card. And if you scroll down here a little bit more and read a little bit more about this, it says the network is promoted nationally by Mastercard and its member banks, only to small business cardholders enrolled in the program. So there's small business cardholders, people with small businesses that are enrolled in this Mastercard Easy Savings Program. It's not everybody that has a Mastercard. And at checkout, the travelers pay with an Easy Savings registered small business credit or signature debit MasterCard. So I'm just reading this area down here. These travelers get a 4% rebate on their monthly MasterCard statement for every stay at participating Mastercard Easy Savings Network hotels. So if your hotel is part of this program, they're going to obviously want to stay at hotels that are involved in it. They'll stay at your hotel. When they check out, obviously, that's going to run their credit card, and when they get their statement, they're going to get a 4% kickback or a 4% rebate. Now, a lot of you are probably wondering what rate they book. Most of these people book the bar rate. They're not going to book your CLC rate. It has nothing to do with CLC. What Mastercard has done is they got all their hotels listed on a website for these folks that are enrolled in this program, and they go there to book their rooms, and they're going to book at the bar rate. So you're getting customers that are paying bar rate, and I'm going to show you a little bit how lucrative this can be. So they get a 4% rebate. The cost to the hotel owners, and I'm just you can read through this, you guys, after you watch this video, but I'm just touching on the points because I know this program really well. I suggest it for all my properties. It says for each stay paid with MasterCard, I'm right here, with the Mastercard Registered Easy Savings Program, CLC withholds an 8% rebate and processing fee from future CLC payments to the hotel. So it costs your hotel 8%. That's basically what you have to pay for each booking that comes into your property. But, if you think about it, most of you guys are paying OTA commissions anywhere from 15 to 20%. And typically 10% used to be, but it's like the standard commission on most, hotel reservations through travel agencies. So this is actually lower than that. And again, you are getting bar rate customers. They book from a website that Mastercard put together for these folks with all the hotels on there. So when they choose your hotel and book it, they're going to be booking at the bar rate. Only thing CLC has, they manage this program for Mastercard. That's it. They manage the program, and it gives their people, properties that are enrolled with CLC that want to sign up for this MCES program. it gives them the opportunity to get additional revenue. So you can make more money, obviously, by being in this program. So it's more revenue at a higher ADR, and obviously you're going to get more bookings. It's increased exposure. They pump this information out to their users because the people that sign up for this credit card, they obviously, they're looking for savings. They're people that travel, so it's going to be a benefit for them to sign up in this program because they're going to use the services that are offered. So definitely something you guys want to take a look at if you're not enrolled in this. And it is this program is really overlooked. I can tell you most of the hotels that I work with, they are not involved in this program. I get them enrolled in it, and the owners are very, very happy afterwards because it's extra money that they did not know about. And you are offered this when you sign your CLC contract. The issue is a lot of people don't want to take the time to read about it, and they look at it like something, it's kind of foreign material. They're just focused on signing the CLC contract. So when you pass this up, when you don't sign up for this program, you're not going to be part of it, but you can get enrolled again, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. So enough about how the program works. I think you guys know now. If you want to sign up for the program, now the hotel that we're looking at right here is already enrolled in this program. And but let me click to a hotel that's not enrolled in the program. You can kind of see what this looks like. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this right here, sign up for the hotel network. All right. So when you sign up for this, it's going to take you to this page right here. And this property is not signed up. I'm going to get this property enrolled. But all you have to do is you just click on the submit button and it will sign your property up. Now, there are two ways that you can pay for this rebate, that 8% rebate, and you have to put a form of payment down for that rebate. So each reservation after the guest checks out and the credit card, obviously gets billed to your hotel, you're going to have to pay for that 8% rebate that I mentioned that this program costs. And you can do that two different ways. You can do it right here with a credit card, so you can pay with it with a credit card, or you can do it through an auto bank draft program, or basically ACH. Okay. Now, depending on which one you want to do, you just click on these buttons here, or these little lines here, terms and conditions form, and you have to fax these into CLC after you submit this. Okay. So first thing you're going to do is figure out how you're going to pay for your rebate or your commission for this program. Click on that. The forms look like this right here. They're real simple. They just kind of explain to you how they work. And you fill out your hotel information there at the bottom. You're going to put a credit card number down, or you're going to put your bank account number down, depending on how you want to pay for this program. Okay? And then you just simply go there and you click the submit button. That's it. That's as simple as it can possibly get. Now, going back here to this, you can actually track your transaction summary. You can track, how many reservations you're getting from this MCES program. And if I click on this right here, it's going to show me, let me go right here to this page. It's going to show you that this property that I signed up for this program over a year ago, this year, they've taken in $26,000 in additional revenue through this program. So we're at the end of the year right now. We're in December. So right around, little over $2,000 a month of what they've received from this program. So something definitely worth it. They're all bar rated customers, and it's only 8% commission. You can go back and you can check your transactions, or basically how much money you made from this program each month, just by going in these dates right here and choosing which dates, the parameters you want to put in, and then it'll pull up the revenue that you made from this program for that particular month that you set. Okay, well, that is all I have, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you know people involved, if you have hotel owners or friends that are running a hotel and they're with CLC and they're not signed up for this program, share this video with those folks. This will be very, very beneficial because it's going to make them a lot of extra money. And like I said, it's often overlooked for people when they sign their CLC contract. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel. I got a lot more videos coming out in the future to show you guys how to increase your revenue at your property and increase your occupancy. Stay tuned. Are you aware that over 97% of hotels overpay their OTA commissions or leave funds on virtual cards that never gets collected, and your property is probably one of them? XQuick is a #1 hotel reservation reconciliation provider because they do all the work for you. There's no software fee, no long-term contract, no maintenance fee, and no service fee. You only get paid when XQuick saves you money. In addition, they're able to integrate with any property regardless of brand affiliation. Think of all the time you and your staff will save when someone else consumes the burden of reconciling every single one of your OTA discrepancies caused by cancellations, no-shows, or adjustments. Simply click on the OTA savings link in the description below and a representative will be in touch.